Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A70, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key in order to shut off the device. So tap on power off, and once more, and now the device will power off. Now when you hear the vibration or feel it, then the device basically is now fully shut off, so you can hold power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. And once you see the Samsung logo, you can actually let go. And soon after, we should be taken to the recovery mode. So there it is. And from here, you can use a volume up and down to navigate. So like so. And you do that because, well, touchscreen doesn't actually work on here. So you have to use the physical keys. And you can, from here, well, reboot the device, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe the phone, cache partition, mount system, view some logs, run tests, and a couple other things, as you can see. So I'm going to actually select just a simple reboot to go back to the Android, and I'm going to confirm with the power key, and you confirm everything using the power key. So whatever is selected and you want to go there, all you need to do is press the power key like so, and you can see that the device is now rebooting. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you would enter and also exit the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.